Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. For the rest of Wednesday, plenty of sunshine, a few showers in the northwest, but there will be wind and rain turning up across southern parts of Britain towards the end of the day. In fact, we've not really lost the cloud from the far south, and a few dribs and drabs of rain in the south coast for the rest of Wednesday, essentially. Further north, a brighter picture, but blustery showers into the north and west of Scotland, Northern Ireland, one or two into Cumbria and North Wales. Cold air with a very brisk wind, gales around the north of Scotland, and with those showers turning to sleet and snow over the higher ground of Scotland as well. Temperatures clearly lower compared to Tuesday's remarkable high figures, certainly in the north, but we keep the double figures for southern counties of England and Wales. Nevertheless, it's here that we end the day with unsettled weather quickly moving in. A rapidly deepening area of low pressure. It effectively deepens during today, and that's why there is still some uncertainty on its precise depth as it approaches the UK, and that, of course, has an impact on its winds. But what we can say is that it will turn wet and windy for much of England and Wales during Wednesday evening. You see that rainfall quickly moving in, especially wet across western parts of the country, but it does quickly move on into northern England, southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, and you'll notice some cold air mixing with that rainfall, leading to snow over the hills of northern England and southern Scotland. We're talking about a few hundred metres, but still the potential for small amounts of disruption on some of the higher routes, southern Scotland, for example. But the winds will also be picking up through the night, and we're likely to see gales across the central swathe of the UK. Exact numbers still uncertain because it depends on the track and depth of the low, but it's, well, a yellow warning in force. It could cause disruption during Thursday itself. Mild in the south. We keep cold air further north. A lot of cloud here. Keep showers going into the far north of Scotland to start off Thursday, but the rain doesn't really reach here. It does peter out across southern Scotland and northern England. It takes much of the day, I think, for the far northeast and southeast Scotland. But elsewhere, brightening skies, a fine day to come north of the central belt. Plenty of sunshine, a chilly day. Sunny spells for Northern Ireland as well. And after a drier but windy start for the rest of England and Wales, well, more rain turns up by the afternoon. Heavy showers, some lively downpours, even the odd bolt of lightning coming out of the sky, I suspect, around southwestern parts of the country. Again, double figures in the south, colder conditions further north. And yeah, stay tuned to the Met Office website and app for any updates to that weather warning as we gain further clarity on it. Into Friday, a completely different story. Whatever happens through Thursday, it's all out of the way by the start of Friday. A frosty but bright start, plenty of sunny skies. The cloud tends to build in the west and the northwest in particular by the afternoon, and you'll see rain starting to appear, the wind picking up by the end of the afternoon in the far northwest. Sign of things to come for the weekend, but for Friday afternoon itself, well, it's the pick of the bunch essentially during the next few days. Most places enjoying dry and bright winter sunshine. Follow us on social media for all the very latest. The weather chopping and changing over the next few days, a lot going on. So of course, stay up to date, and you can do that by heading to these social media channels, going to the website, and of course, downloading the Met Office app. Bye-bye.